welcome to Little Princess Fun Place. Today we will be playing with Peppa Pig toys. We will be opening up these little Peppa Pig mini campers. And also we have this little fair. And we're going to open up all of these mini camper vans and see what's inside. So I want to do the blue one. I want to do the other blue one. So I'm opening up mine. And I'm opening up mine. Let's see. Okay. Oh, what's this? Okay. There we go. So you just gotta rip it. But I do not like ripping stuff. I don't know why. I wonder what's inside. Me too. I've never opened one of these before. Oh. That's cool. That's that giraffe. I don't know their names. I haven't watched Peppa Pig for a long time. Yeah, me too. So let's see what his name is. But he is really cute. Oh, his name is Gerald the Giraffe. Probably it's a girl because I see her have a dress. No, it's a boy. Because Gerald is a boy name. I think Gerald wants to go to school because he has that music symbol on him. So I think he wants to go to music class. So let's put him in school. Where do you want to sit? I'm going to sit in the back row because my neck is too long so people can't really see through me. So let's sit you in the back row. Okay, Gerald, do you like your seat? Yes, I do. Thank you very much. Now go ahead and open up your camper van. Can't wait to see who you got. Maybe you got Peppa, or maybe you got another Gerald. Yeah, that would just be cool. Wait, I think I'm saying it wrong. I think it's Gerald, but I'm saying Gerald. I'm so excited. Yeah, me too. I wonder what I'm gonna get. You got another Gerald. Hello, Gerald. Where do you want to go? I think I want to go green dinosaur. Green dinosaur! Let's go! Push, push, push. I'm on green dinosaur! Yeah, it's so cool! Hey, can I have some of my friends here, Grandpa Pig? It would be much more fun. Sure, Maggie. Let's open up more blind bags. I choose yellow. I'm choosing green. No, I want to go first this time. Yeah. I really want to see what's inside. Hopefully it's not another Gerald. Then we just have a video of Geralds. Yeah. I still think I'm saying it wrong. See what it is. It's Rebecca Rabbit. No, it's Rebecca's little brother. What's his name again? His name is Richard Rabbit. His name is Richard. Hi, Richard. Now, go ahead and ride on some horsey. Yay, horsey, horsey. I love horsey. Ee-hoo. Yeah, I'm going to take my horse to the ocean road. I'm going to ride till I can no more. Got the horses in the back. Horse started the attack. That is what I got the horses in the back. Great job, Richard. Great song. I really like this song. Thank you, Grandpa Pig. Okay, now I'm going to open up mine. Okay, here we go. Can't wait to see what's inside the yellow one. I think, like, in all the blues, there's Gerald. And in all the greens, there's Richard. Like, I think that's how it is. So, yeah. And all the yellow is George. Yeah, because we got a muddy George. I think George wants to go. He wants to go to the fair because he's muddy a little bit, and the fair has some mud in it. And he can't go muddy like this to school. Okay, now go on. Okay, Grandpa Pig, I want to go in red. Yeah, my favorite color red. Yeah. Hey, George, are you comfortable up there? Yes, I'm very comfortable. And now it's your turn to open one first. Alrighty, I choose pink. So I got to open it now. I wonder what's inside the pink one. I think Peppa's inside the pink one. Yeah. Because Peppa wears a red dress and pink Peppa sort of, yeah. Pink piggy. Yeah. But some pigs are different colors. Yeah, like gray. Yeah. And black. Ugh. Can't see. Oh, okay, let's see what your name is, little fella. Oh, your name is Danny Dog. So, hi, Danny Dog. It's very nice to meet you. I guess you really want to go to school because you also have music symbol. So, where do you want to sit? I want to sit in the front. Okay. Hello, Gerald. Hello, Miss Gazelle. Hi, everybody. Is anybody else coming to the class? We don't know. Yeah. Let's see next Blinbags. So I'm going to pick the purple one because purple is my favorite color. So let's see what's inside. I'm so excited to see. Yeah, I do not know what's inside the purples. Maybe Mommy Pig, maybe Peppa. No, Mommy Pig isn't on the list. None of the adults are on the list, see? So probably it's Peppa. Maybe. Or maybe it's Susie. Yeah. Or maybe Rebecca. Yeah. Let's see. Who is it? It's Peppa. Let me show you which Peppa it is. It is that Peppa. I know. It's Peppa with flowers. I know. She's so cute and adorable. Yes, she is. She looks like she would match with the fair, but she says that she really wants to go to school. All right, Peppa, chop, chop, chop. You got to go to school. You're missing class. Hey, everybody. My name is Peppa. Hi, Peppa. I'm Miss Gazelle. Now go to your spot, please. I don't know what my spot is. Go sit right next to Gerald. Yes. We have our last blind bag. I wonder what's in. So let's open it. I hope it's not another Danny Dog because we already have 2 Geralds, and I don't know. But I think it is. I hope not. Because it could be like someone else because we have like all the blind bags, so and there are a lot of other characters. So. Oh, and it's George. He is so cute. Look at him. He has like some scarf or something on. He's so cute. Hi, everybody. My name is George. So, George, where do you want to go? I want to go here with my 2 friends. Yay, I love ducky. Wee, this is so much fun. Yay, wee. All the way home. But the school kids are lucky today because today is a field trip day. So, Miss Gazelle is going to check everyone's folders to see if they have their field trip form signed. Okay, I'm going to check everyone's folders. You. Good job, you have yours signed. And I have Gerald's up here. Yes, Gerald, you have yours signed. And Peppa, let me see your red folder. Yep, you have yours signed. Okay, so Grandpa Pig is going to come and get everybody in his train, and then we're all going to go to the fair, which is going to be super fun. Yay! Hi, is everybody ready for the field trip? Yes, we all are. Okay, then hop on in. Peppa and everybody else come in. Hi, I'm Gerald, and I'm happy to be here. Oh, well, I'm Grandpa Pig, and I'm happy to take you to the fair. Thank you very much. Hi, Danny Dog. Are you ready to go to the fair? Arf, arf. Yes, I am. Oh, this is a nice yellow train cart. Ooh, nice seats. They're very comfortable for my bottom. And where should I go, Grandpa? Let me see. How about you sit here with me? Yay, Grandpa, this is fun. This is the best seat in the train. Bye, everybody. Have fun. Bye, Miss Gazelle. Bye. And now let's go. Chugga, 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 choo, choo. Chug, chugga, 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 choo, choo. Here we are, everybody. Now stay in your seats, and I will take you out. of your seats. Peppa, yes, you can come out. Yay. Now, Gerald, you may get out. Come on out. Hey, Peppa, did you like the ride? Yes, I did. Okay, now you get out. All right, Danny, I think that's her name. Yes, it is. Okay, great. Yay, guys, that was the best ride ever. Yeah, I know, right? Okay, kids, now go play and scatter around. Okay, be crazy, because the fair is supposed to be fun. And if you win anything, just come to me and I will come get you a prize. I'm gonna be here where I'm supposed to be. And I'm gonna be here at my station where I'm supposed to be. I'm going to go in the green one. Yay, this is so much fun. I love Ferris wheels. Dun 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 dun. Oh, and I didn't know that George is riding with me too. Hi, Peppa. Hi, George. Hey, Gerald, let's go to the balloon ride, and maybe we could also win whatever that game is called when you're supposed to hit the thing. Oh, yeah. Come on, let's go. Okay, guys, would you guys like to ride the balloon? Yes, we would. Yes, we would. Okay, I'm going to get this out for prizes, but would you guys like slow, medium, or fast? Fast! Alrighty. It's going to start out slow, but it's going to end out really fast. Woo! This is so much fun! Yeah, I know, right? I'm getting dizzy. Okay, guys, I'm going to slow it down. Do you guys want to go the other way? Yep. Yay! Woohoo! They all had so much fun at the fair. I would even have fun at the fair, which I don't think I've ever went to a fair before. Yeah. So this is all for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye, everybody. Bye. We hope you liked this video. Which Peppa Pig toy was your favorite? Probably mine was Peppa, because that's the only girl that was here. So yeah, but I like Richard. He's cute. I like Peppa and Richard. So bye. Bye.